Please take a listen.
We bring to you another edition of Teams Agenda this week, a special report that focuses on the activities and achievements of the Teams Agenda of Lagos State Governor, 64th in its series. Science and technology are intertwined, especially in a 21st century economy, as it has evolved over time and offers solutions to different activities for practical purposes. Technology in governance is no doubt a game changer for development. Therefore, the Lagos State government is keen towards making Lagos a model state through the innovative application of science and technology for solving problems and making impact in all human endeavors. In today's special report on Teams Agenda this week, Zainab Andebeshi of our News and Current Affairs Department delves into the activities of the Lagos State Ministry of Science and Technology, saddled with promoting technical skills to build a reputable smart city in line with the Teams Agenda of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu of making Lagos a 21st century economy. Established in year 2004, the Ministry of Science and Technology, which was saddled with properly managing of the state's global computerization projects, utilizing modern technology for the effective management of government business, particularly in the areas of operational activities, revenue generation, and electronic information dissemination, among others. The Ministry of Science and Technology is created from what used to be the Office of Special Advisor on Information, Technology and Special Services. Its establishment is aimed at utilizing technology to effectively manage the challenges of improving government service delivery and ensure economic and social development. The achievements of the ministry over the past years have been outstanding, which include the establishment of Lagos State Command and Control Center, which provides toll-free dedicated lines of communication 767 or 112 for Lagosians to contact relevant security and emergency agencies of the state. The state, under the leadership of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, upon assumption of office, pledged that his administration would continue to support science and technology and create an enabling environment through policies and initiatives in line with the Teams Agenda and the need to equip students with the knowledge and skill for the 21st century economy. For Governor Sanwo-Olu, his administration is committed to ensuring that entrepreneurs in the ICT sector explore opportunities the state is offering, as the proposed plan to create a technology hub in Yaba, where startup and other technologists can secure a space and do their businesses, are in the pipeline.
You're all aware that in our Teams Agenda, which, all of you know are 6 pillars of economic growth, the E, which is the first E, which is education and technology, it's very, very germane to us. And the N, which is making Lagos the 21st century, these twin elements underpins the work that the Lagos State Research and Innovation Council last week is doing for us. And essentially, this is to facilitate investment in science, in research, in innovation, and in STEM education. I believe that science and technology remains a key enabler to transform the social economic destinies of corporations, cities, and nations around.
Another novel effort by the present administration is the hosting of 2 editions of technology events tagged Art and Technology 1.0 and 2.0, organized by Co-Innovation Center in partnership with Lagos State Government, where Governor Sanwo-Olu also unveiled Start Up Lagos, an initiative meant to empower Lagosians. ITpreneurs and others were urged to take advantage of the opportunities the state is offering to help businesses and entrepreneurs. As part of steps to show his readiness, Governor Sanwo-Olu inaugurated the Lagos State Science Research and Innovation Council last week, 7 months into his tenure. The governor announced a 250 million naira seed fund to boost technological innovation and initiatives in demonstration of the state's commitment to developing Lagos into a 21st century digital economy and smart city. To this end, last week has funded over 50 research, innovation and STEM projects in the last 1 year with 100 million innovation grants. The grant is part of the 6 pillars of the developmental agenda of the Babajide Sanwo-Olu administration, which includes fueling technology-driven innovations to transform Lagos into a 21st century digital economy and smart city. Lagos State Commissioner for Science and Technology, Akeem Pham, affirmed that the state is leaving no stone unturned to give residents sound governance, which can be possible through data gathering, in which the state has proposed to capture 4 million Lagosians to serve the people better. Startup Lagos, being the largest tech ecosystem, offers retail and institutional investors the opportunities of tapping into the vast potential of early-stage tech-driven startup initiatives to blossom into regional and continental-scale solutions to Africa's diverse challenges. Other projects funded include startups on COVID-19 intervention projects, startups on patent-pending research initiatives, innovative startups in sectors such as agri-tech, health tech, construction and manufacturing, among others. The Sanwo-Olu administration introduced a comprehensive program that seeks to provide a 24-hour driven economy, which would allow companies to operate in a safe and secure environment, thereby creating a safer and more conducive environment for businesses, more jobs, and increasing the gross domestic product, GDP, of the state. The State Commissioner for Science and Technology, Akeem Pham, hinted that the focus of the program includes security, implementation of a fiber metro network, and e-governance.
We need to reduce the pressure on existing infrastructure. In the area of public safety, we have to protect and improve citizens' being. In energy, we have to reduce energy consumption. We have to focus more on renewable energy. And for water, we need a greater reliability and residence. And in public health, we want to ensure resident health and care for the vulnerable populations.
Under the present administration, the Ministry of Science and Technology has also renovated 6 existing geographical meteorological gardens in 6 public schools in each of the educational districts as part of its core responsibilities to promote the development of science and technology. Each of the gardens has been equipped with various weather data measuring instruments, 2 laptop computers, enterprise meteorological software, and a building to serve as the weather station. The project, earmarked upon by the Ministry of Science and Technology, is in line with the Sanwo-Olu administration's commitment to enhancing the practical teaching of science subjects such as geography, biology, agriculture, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and statistics in public schools across Lagos State. The renovated geographical meteorological gardens are located within the premises of Bolade School Complex, Oshodi, Abesan High School Complex at Limosho, Wahab Falawiyo Secondary School, Osborne Road, Ikoyi, Mainland Senior High School, Fadeyi, Maryland School Complex, Maryland, and Agboju Senior Secondary School, Agboju. Another effort of the present administration is the upgrade of campus network infrastructure through automation, which encourage e-learning and Lagos State Government Data Center, as well as ICT training for officers and teachers in their thousands. Commissioner for Science and Technology, Akeem Pham, affirmed that these steps have greatly increased efficiency among ministries, departments, and agencies of government.
Lagos is building the largest directory of the tech ecosystem in sub-Saharan Africa. Startup Lagos targets being the largest tech ecosystem to offer retail and institutional investors the opportunities of tapping into vast potential of early-stage tech-driven startup initiatives to blossom into regional and continental scale solutions to Africa's diverse challenges. Startup Lagos has launched in beta, and the work is still ongoing.
For improved connectivity, the Lagos State government under the Sanwo-Olu administration has implemented a 3,000 kilometer of fiber metro network connection in year 2020 and additional 3,000 kilometer in year 2021 across the state as part of the comprehensive smart city program that seeks to provide a 24-hour driven economy across sectors such as health, education and transportation, as well as increase public access to the internet and promote digital literacy. Also, to enable government plan for expansion and development of public facilities, the Lagos State Residents Registration Agency, LASRA, has been upgraded to provide real-time online registration for residents of the state. To this end, over 5 million residents have been captured by the agency. LASRA is also partnering health insurance agencies, Lagos State Security Trust Fund, Lagos State Internal Revenue Service to enable government plan effectively with the data provided. The Sanwo-Olu's administration has also commenced installation of CCTV cameras, built new data rooms, and effectively deployed technology in its operations, especially as regards to security and traffic management. In addition to all these laudable initiatives, Special Advisor to the Governor on Innovation and Technology, Tuboso Alake, said that the state-sponsored participation at the year 2021 Young Nigerian Scientist Presidential Award among secondary school students. This is aimed at boosting the interest of students in science and technology by encouraging and involving young children in bringing up projects and programs that can resolve challenges in the state, such as infrastructure, environment, waste management, among others. Also, the Code Lagos project is ongoing, an EduTech initiative targeted at training millions of Lagos residents to code. Mr. Alake noted that the Art of Technology event also brought together the best of tech minds from across the globe physically, an initiative meant to empower Lagosians.
Research initiatives were judged on wide-ranging criteria, including scientific quality, impact on emerging and current scientific fields, methodology of the empirical work. Innovation entries were evaluated in areas such as the vision in relation to a compelling social impact, the target market, the successful scalability over time, the organizational capacity, and the profitable economics over a number of years.
The Lagos Smart City project is a transformation agenda being achieved through technology to enhance ease of doing business, allow access to a range of public services, and improve standards of living through online service delivery. This comes in various forms such as tax submission and registration of businesses, reducing the administrative burden on the public and private sectors, and improving transparency. E-governance, effectively, when deployed, can have significant impact on poverty reduction and increase the efficiency of public institutions. Some Lagos residents expressed their opinion about the activities of the Ministry of Science and Technology.
I sort of got into the tech space because of the different ideas or maybe problems I feel like I could solve using technology, and the way forward is to knowing what technology is all about, and that's what I'm doing. Seeing people that share almost the same idea, which is basically solving problems, has inspired me to understand that there's really nothing I cannot try to solve.
The event has a very great event because it makes us know that yes, the government is actually aware of technology and is also aware of we that are working in the technological space, and which this means that the nation is actually developing. Even that Lagos is developing, Lagos is moving closer to being a smart city, and Nigeria is also moving closer to being a smart nation.
All the science students, apart from the theoretical perspective, they should also be involved in the practical perspective.
You see, science is the entity today all over the world because the world has moved from analog to digital, and science is the thing. And the earlier we start to incorporate in our children what science will do for them to make them great and greater in the future, it's better we begin to exhibit such at the local level here.
It is without doubt that with the efforts, achievements and interventions of the Sanwo-Olu administration in science and technology, it is evident that the administration will stop at nothing to ensure that supports are being provided to utilize modern technology for the effective management of government businesses, particularly in the areas of operational activities, revenue generation, and electronic information dissemination. Lagos residents must support the administration's bid to promote, initiate, formulate, execute, monitor and evaluate policies relating to science and information communication technology. And that's how we conclude our special report on TIM's agenda this week, which x-rayed the efforts and achievements of the Sanwo-Olu administration in promoting technical skills to build a reputable smart city in line with the TIM's agenda of making Lagos a 21st century economy through the Lagos State Ministry of Science and Technology. For feedback, you can follow us on our social media platforms: Instagram, Lagos Traffic 961, Facebook, Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM. On YouTube, subscribe to our channel, Lagos Traffic 961. You can download our app, Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM from Play Store for more updates. This program is a production of Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM. I am Abiola Fagbolago.